I've been exploring the SmartNews mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. SmartNews is a news aggregation app that pulls headlines and stories from a wide range of publishers into one place, aiming to give you a mix of national, local, and topic-based news without needing multiple apps. It is designed for people who like to skim headlines quickly, follow a few key interests such as politics, sports, or health, and prefer a simple, scrollable feed rather than managing individual subscriptions. At its core, SmartNews focuses on curated news channels organized by topics like local news, politics, entertainment, sports, travel, and health, so you can jump straight into the type of stories you care about. You can follow your location to see updates on local government, traffic, weather, school boards, and nearby events, which can be handy if you want a quick snapshot of what's happening around you each day. The app also highlights content from well-known outlets such as Bloomberg, The Atlantic, USA Today, Time, Reuters, and others, giving you a sense of variety without having to visit each site individually. However, it is not without flaws. One recurring complaint in reviews is the handling of in-app prompts and pop-ups, such as repeated requests to enable location services in older versions, which some users found intrusive and annoying. In at least one case, the developer did respond and resolve a pop-up issue relatively quickly, which suggests they do pay attention to feedback. But it also shows that these interruptions can impact the experience when they appear. Overall, SmartNews is a solid choice if you value a single, easy-to-browse app that pulls together local and global news, lets you follow a few key interests, and don't mind an ad-supported model. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.